Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Rudra coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Monday, January 27th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 36 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
There are no announcements for today. Clubs meeting this afternoon will meet from 3 to 4 p.m. Battle of the Books grades 5 and 6 will meet in room 119. Magical Masterpieces will meet in the LRC. Beyblades Club will meet in room 204. First and second grade dance club will meet in room 107. Third and fourth grade Latin dance club will meet in room 116. Multiplication Masters will meet in room 120. Art Explorers Club will meet in the art room. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Coding Club will meet at 7:45 in room 212. There will be a STEM fair meeting for grades 3 and 4 at 8 a.m. in room 105. That's all for today. Hope you have a magical, marvelous Monday.